Ngey 19 zikaSeptember ngo7 o'clock sobe siseSoweto Theatre senza abangoni bengoma sizobe sipresenta itheatre play ezobe yenzwa 100% by uZayoni, written by Sayoni. Abantu bazobe actor kuzobe kuyiyoni, iproduction yonke uZayoni. Yeah, and sizobe sipublisha incwadi kaZayoni called abangoni bengoma inzulu kaZayoni. So itikiti li 200 rands, so siyacela wonke umuntu utabe khona. Akusho ukuthi mawuze lapho usho ukuthi uzothola incwadi automatically. Incwadi ine price yayo eceleni which is 350, and we are pleading with everyone to come support into kaZayoni noma into yabantu abamnyama noma abantu abama Alkebulan or ama Africans. Please do come.
Siyabonga. Kuthula bandleni. Bazalwane ngesilungu bathi brethrens. Welcome to Mosaic Music, a platform where we work the music ukucula kwaba. We always break down a Malaysian, try and get the message if nyaweza ama lyrics. Mangawezi yazo vele ngithi ngibhaleleni, please. We give positive feedback, we encourage others, we inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic Zion content. Bazalwane ay manje ngithenga ama earphone amasha bazalwane anibhekeni nje. Anibheke nje. We ay mara le mbuzi zilastile lezi. Manje sekukhalela lodwa manje. Yo. Bazalwane. So wazo-check out shem lama earphone kungasukudala. They will check. Anyway, guys. Man ngiyabonga bafethu. Like, ngisasho namanje, 10 years down the line, we will be looking at this channel and going like, yo. But the fact that we are growing this and creating more platforms as a Zion, I don't think you guys understand the impact that we are having right now. And shout out to every major Zion YouTube channel those who are doing things appropriately. I love bathatha ingoma zabantu zinjalo bangayicelanga and redistribute them again. Those one I don't care. But I'm talking about all the channels. I may not know all of them by head. Abanye, I am still here to discover them. I understand, and just being able to push out to Zion to the world like that, like, bro, it is amazing. And without you guys, bese ngifika last corner. So namhlanje nje reason why I'm happy, so it is because kunini ngilindile ukuthi le bandla lidrope i-video end. I've been waiting. I have been waiting since I've discovered them. I was like, fit. Nasnisha. You guys are teaming us. Nastima. I don't care now ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, but now ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Like umthombo ukuphila. They finally dropped a long content video and then nje excited. So, bazalwane. Umthombo ukuphila. And I was so excited. I was like, finally. So I don't think if video was shot in landscape. I think it was shot in portrait mode. So yeah, so we're reacting to umthombo ukuphila sivukile ngoJesu. Yeah, I'm right. And hey guys, before I get into a lot of things, yeah, le video le. Oh, my sister long after left. I stumbled across your TikTok account a couple of days, if not a week ago. Now, when I stumbled across your TikTok account, there is nowhere longer to forget each other. In the back of my head, I'm like, hey man, this is Mazela somewhere. Man, I would get Mazela go. Next, I'm like, man, sabating, searching on with man, Ngwazela kwe. Hey, boom. Man, when I live it, I'm like, Umthombo, wonke lo. Let me brace myself. Woo! See you in my thought. ngisola ukubuza. I just mina ngifuna ukwazi ne, and I feel like it's just a genuine question that we should ask amabandla if participatingly or willingly they want to do so. Are you guys planning to like drop an album anytime soon? Like khona album enifuna ukuyidrop or something? Like mina ngifuna ukwazi nje because I've been listening to you guys and ni cripsy, very cripsy. Ni Anthony, eish. So, ay, nyabuza. Because the way yo, yabona lapha lesivukile, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Hey, nayiwulu wethu aseZayoni Nkosi yami. Eish. Hey. Ipithuta yakho ubu 808. Now 808. As umama lo chef espati ne. Akashani. Adlana but ngizwe back. There's but I don't know if it's the same person. Angazi ukuthi mhlambe she's the one that's backing up. I think she is. Hold on. Mtombo, you can't. Mtombo, you can't just switch into you can't just summer I turn now. Vu. Aye. You can't. You can't. Bruh, one thing about Mtombo, they always leave me in a state of shock every time, bro. Every time I react to this church, bro. I don't know, bro. It's like they have this element of surprise and newness that they keep doing all the time. Angakayijwayeli system yabo ne, because I'm still yet to react to like longer videos ezabo. Bruv, every time. And then abona their humming has to be one of the best hummings. No, for real, Bazala and I genuinely want to hear what they're saying. Lyrics. Naman. Mendlani. Ay. La mafoni lawa niyayipresa. Ngizibuza ukuthi why be. Be. Awubheke nje. Awubheke nje. Yo. Anyway, I'm gonna go so to what they saying. Like, I'm trying to get the only thing even be the easy. Oh, sisindi sivukile ngoJesu inkosi. Sajabula ngomsindisi. That's what you guys are saying. That is nice. So, the song says we sivukile ngoJesu. I wouldn't say we woke up. We woke up with Jesus. No, not close to that. It's more like maybe we have woken up by Jesus. Yeah, we have woken up by Jesus. Jesus, our King. We are happy. See, said we are happy with Jesus, our Savior. Easy 808. Ah, you got it. Oh, cause E808. This guy does not care about you and your feelings. My boy! But there's something distinctive about Abantu besimame. Like there's something, and I've been noticing it, bro. Ne? And maybe it's just me. Thina zabantu besilisa masigoba, if you really noticed, thina abantu besilisa, we more of the shoulders people. You understand? Thina, the movement has to show ukuthi yona siyagoba bantwana yami, says. You understand? What women? It's just hips and legs, bro. Like, with what I've been noticing, it's just hips and bro, they kill it, bro. Cause Nago veiling were the same thing, and I thought I was tripping, but I was like, okay, I've never seen Ukwabo. So maybe it's because now that I do pay attention, now I notice it. With women, it's mostly hips and in front they kill it, bro. Bro, they kill it. But they're moving like this, bro. Oh my god! I've, I've been noticing this for quite some time, and I'm like, yo, bro. What? Say yeah, bro. Yeah. My bad. This has to be my new favorite song. I'm telling you. Hey! Hey! I genuinely want to repeat this whole thing, but I'm going to repeat it at my own time. And now, the message was crazy. Sivugile ngoJesu. Sivugile ngoJesu inkosi. Siyajabula ngoJesu msindisi. Hey, bro, like, it's a powerful song. No, legit, it's a powerful song. And I am happy for the first time on this page. We are reacting to Umthombo Phila. What am I saying? My English is depleting as of late. And with my saying Chwala Zulu man, sesibangconyana manje siyabona senyakhona. Umthombo Phila, this is the first long video I've ever reacted to from Umthombo Phila. Shout out to them, bro. Shout out to them. And to Umthombo Phila, yo guys, do you guys have TikTok? Do you have a YouTube channel? If you do, please let me know, so that whenever I put my information and everything in my description, I'm able to also put your information as well. Because, like I said, this platform is for all of us to grow. So it wouldn't be fair if I'm just the only one growing. So I want to make sure that I put all the information. If not, I will DM someone Wasum Tombo as soon as I find them and ask them, Uguti, do you guys have a TikTok account? I understand. And let's grow this page. Bazalwane, let's support Uzayoni. Uzayoni has to grow. And let's report people who are redistributing content as ngeko copyright. Because if you redistribute content and there's no copyright strike, you are basically stealing food from other people. But if that person is redistributor and there's a copyright claim, I get well, yeah, now there are a couple of videos that I have reacted to, and magune copyright claim majority ama ingoma zasebandleni, house of worship, amatotana, and if it's on YouTube, in most cases, yes, Zikon. I do have videos as nama copyright strike. That means Uguti, I won't get monetized for that money. I understand. It will go straight to that YouTube channel. Understand? Mina, as a reactor, my job is to comment and promote and also grow Uzion as a whole. So, yo, guys, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm about to sign out. So, yo, in your favorite way to Jupiter. Adios.